Southside on me. Southside on me, yeah. Pull up to the club with a check. Rolling APs and protection. Got the baddest bitches.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I am back with a highly requested video. I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. A lot going on, but since we're on quarantine, I ain't got nothing to do now. So why not give you guys my wash day routine, show you guys the things that I've been doing, and how I got my hair to grow 5 to 7 inches. Like, I'm gonna insert a clip of my shrinkage and everything from before I started doing what I'm doing and now. So let's just get started with the whole process. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn your bell notification on because I'm gonna be posting more. That's just that on that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so everything you've seen here is what I'm about to be using. So this is my hair 2 weeks after I've been having it in twist outs and whatnot. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the shoelace out of my hair. My hair has lots of gel in it, so yeah, but this is what we're working with. Oh, and it's, let's just thank him for the growth. Okay, so the first thing that I do before I put any type of water or shampoo in my hair is I do a hot oil treatment. And this is the oil that I'm using, but I also infuse a whole lot of different oils. Let me go get the rest of my stuff. I just warm up a bowl of hot water, stick my oils all in one container. So I'll be using the Duro, a couple of drops of the Blueberry Bliss scalp oil. Also this, what brand is this? Miley. I put a couple drops of that. Some of the some argan oil, some grapeseed oil, and some of this Cantu oil. I mix it all up into this container. I heat it up, and I'm gonna apply it to my scalp. You'll see me do all of this. So I'm just explaining what I do before I do it. So I do this because the hot oil will help break down the dirt and all the other products on my head before I wash, so the shampoo doesn't have to do that much work. Everything will be breaking down, so when the water hits it, it'll just slide out, and the shampoo will really give me that good cleanse that I need every 2 weeks. So yeah, let's do that and get started. Okay, I got my bowl of super hot water, and I'm just going to add the mixture of oil in it and let it sit. And for the meantime, I'm just going to start applying my scalp oils all over. And I'm also going to be putting this under a heat cap for 20 minutes. So let the oil do what it do. Another thing I've been using for years now is it's all gone, but the packaging, but Carol's Daughter Hair Honey. The truth. And it looks like a solid, but once you rub it in, it turns right into a liquid. And I just put this all over my hair. A little goes a long way with this stuff. Okay, my oil is warm now. Doesn't take long at all. And then I just generously apply this to all over my scalp. The edges, the kitchens, just everywhere. Oh, it feels so good. Not too much weight weighing your hair down, because you don't want to do too much. But yeah, and then I'm just gonna put a plastic bag on, go under my heat cap for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the shampoos that I use. And yeah, be back in a minute. Alright, so here I am with my heat cap on, with the plastic bag on, and I'm going to set this on high. And I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. My hair feels so good. My scalp is open. Now I'm gonna go over the shampoos I will be using. The first one is OGX, the Biotin and Collagen shampoo. And I also will be using, this is the Dr. Bronner's, what is this? Hemp and Peppermint Castor Oil Soap. I only used about 2 palmfuls, and it lathers up so nice, and it further opens up the scalp, cleans. And then this on top of that, I have all of their, like, a lot of their stuff, but I got this one and I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna use these two, and I will be back with my washed hair. One more thing, I do detangle while I'm washing, so I use a wide tooth comb, and I don't use towels. I do old t-shirts, as you know, they don't contribute to frizz like cotton towels do. So yeah, not out for sure. Be back. Okay, so mid-wash, I like to step out and detangle my hair while it's wet with the product in it, working the product while also detangling my hair at the same time. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I am back after the wash. My scalp feels open. It's amazing. Wait, I forgot one thing. I'm about to share you guys the secret to my hair growth. And it's this stuff right here. This is rice water. I started it a year ago, but I've been using it consistently for, I would say, about the past 5 months, and my hair, I can literally see a change. The length of my hair, the growth of it, it's gotten thicker, it's gotten healthier. When I go to get my ends clipped, I don't have to get as much cut off. So this stuff is amazing, and this is how I prepare it. So I only use a handful, it's not that much in there, and I fill it up with water just above the rice. I let it sit and ferment for 2 days, 48 hours, and then this is old rice water. Pour that out. I can't do anything with it anymore, and I'm going to put it in a spray bottle. Now this is a protein treatment, so I only do it on the big wash days like this every 2 weeks. Is a strong protein treatment. So with that being said, I'm only going to move this out the way. And it stinks, so I'm just taking that right now. This is not a breath of fresh air. It smells like garbage truck juice, but it works. So I'm going to put it in the camera. Put it in here. And it's not that much in the bottle at all, but I'm going to dilute it with some water, and I'm going to use warm water, cool warm water, because yeah, and I'm gonna, you gotta dilute it out, so I put about this much water in there, screw the top water, and I find it best to do this with a spray bottle. And I'm just gonna take my hair down. Also, this is very drying. The protein treatment is very drying, so I dilute it with water, and also I do this while I deep condition. So first I go in and spray all around, closest to my roots as possible. Just pull and spray, pull and spray. all over. Yo, this stuff really stinks. And then I'm gonna go in with my OGX conditioner. This is the tea tree and peppermint. This is one of my favorites. I've been using it for years now, like literally years. Nice $2 amount, $2 size amount. I'm just gonna work it in my hair. Go to my mouth. Work it in my hair. And I'm also gonna go in with another one. I have never tried this conditioner before, but I mean the bottle is great. This is the let me just show you what it is. And it smells really good. It smells so good. So why not? It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Work that in all over. We love conditioner. It smells so good, guys. And then I'm just gonna go in with one more healthy layer of the rice water on the strands and ends of my hair. And I saved the bag from the rice water. I saved the bag from the hot oil treatment. And I'm just gonna reuse that. Go back under the heat cap. I only leave the rice water on my head for no longer than 20 minutes. You don't want to leave this protein treatment in your hair for too long, or it will dry your hair out, causing breakage, causing damage, and nobody wants that. So 20 minutes is all you need. I'm gonna finish spraying. Put the bag on, set my timer, watch a little Netflix, eat a little snack, scroll on Instagram. Yo, this stuff really stinks, but the smell of the conditioner kind of masks it kind of nicely, so that's a plus. I'm gonna insert a clip after I wash everything out of how long my hair has gotten since I started using rice water. My edges are thicker, everything is thick. Okay? Everything. I'm telling y'all, get with it. And when your hair start growing, say thanks, Chipmunk. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, put this bag on my head. So I'm back. I've washed all the rice water and conditioner out of my hair, and I also detangled. There's proof. So this is the hair from when I detangled while I was shampooing, and this is the shampoo. This is how much shedding I got after the rice water. You see the difference. I did the same exact thing, less amount of shedding. See how fuller my hair looks? Now let's do a little stretching. My hair reaches here. Let's stretch a piece from the back. And here, my neck is straight. Here it is. And in the front, I have a video of me doing this at the beginning of my rice water journey. I'm going to insert this after this clip. My hair reaches right there. And now I will insert the next one. Enjoy. So there you have it. That is what I am looking at. I hope this video was informative. If there's something else you want to know, or something other that you would like to see me do for my hair in a video, please don't be shy to let me know, either in the comments or on social media. I'll leave everything in the description box. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and all my other handles. But yeah, everybody stay safe during this quarantine. Keep your hands clean, wash your hands, wash your body. That's it, that's all. Bye.
Southside on me. Southside on me, yeah. Pull up to the club with a check. Rolling APs and Protects. Got the baddest